Money, Master the Game, by Tony Robbins is an in-depth guide to achieving financial freedom and security. The book is designed to empower readers with knowledge and strategies to take control of their financial destiny. Robbins, drawing from his extensive experience and interviews with financial experts, provides a step-by-step blueprint for building wealth and ensuring long-term financial stability. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of financial education and taking personal responsibility for one's financial future. Robbins highlights the need to understand the basic principles of money management, including saving, investing, and spending wisely. He stresses that financial success is not about luck but about making informed decisions and taking consistent actions towards financial goals. Robbins introduces the concept of the financial freedom mindset, which involves setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. He encourages readers to think about what financial freedom means to them and to visualize their ideal financial future. This mindset is crucial for staying motivated and focused on long-term financial objectives. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to investment strategies. Robbins breaks down complex investment concepts into easy-to-understand language, making it accessible for readers with little to no financial background. He explains the importance of asset allocation, diversification, and risk management in building a robust investment portfolio. Robbins advocates for a balanced approach to investing, combining traditional investments like stocks and bonds with alternative investments such as real estate and commodities. Robbins also delves into the power of compounding and the importance of starting to invest early. He provides practical advice on how to maximize returns while minimizing risks, including tips on selecting mutual funds, index funds, and other investment vehicles. The book includes insights from some of the world's top investors, such as Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio, who share their strategies and philosophies on wealth building. Another key aspect of Money, Master the Game is its focus on financial planning and goal setting. Robbins introduces the concept of the lifetime income plan, which involves creating a detailed plan for generating income throughout one's life. This includes strategies for saving for retirement, managing taxes, and protecting assets. Robbins emphasizes the importance of having a clear plan for each stage of life, from early career to retirement. Robbins also addresses the psychological aspects of money management. He explores how emotions and beliefs about money can impact financial decisions and offers techniques for developing a healthy relationship with money. This includes overcoming limiting beliefs and adopting a mindset of abundance and gratitude. The book also covers the importance of financial protection and security. Robbins discusses various insurance options, estate planning, and strategies for protecting assets from market volatility and economic downturns. He highlights the importance of having a safety net in place to ensure financial stability in times of crisis. In addition to practical financial strategies, Robbins emphasizes the importance of giving back and contributing to society. He believes that true financial success includes the ability to help others and make a positive impact on the world. The book includes stories of philanthropists and successful individuals who have used their wealth to create meaningful change. Throughout Money, Master the Game, Robbins provides actionable steps and exercises to help readers apply the concepts and strategies discussed. He encourages readers to take immediate action, whether it's setting financial goals, creating a budget, or starting an investment plan. The book is designed to be a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom, with practical advice that can be implemented at any stage of life. In conclusion, Money, Master the Game, by Tony Robbins is a comprehensive and empowering guide to financial success. It combines practical investment strategies, financial planning, and personal development techniques to help readers take control of their financial future. Robbins' approachable writing style and insights from financial experts make this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom and security.